uniform yacho yaita kunge yakatengwa 1920. Vakabata kabhuku so omira pamadrum ipapo makadi chef makadi boss tiripo right yangu yekubhadhara tollgate oburitsa mari yetollgate so mupurisa obvaisa mari muhomwe murese mari yehurumende inoiswa muhomwe maofisi makambozviona izvozvo muri kurana government kunge vaya vanobika chikokiyana muruzevha. Iyi nyaya yekuti pawasvika itoburitsa mari zvinoita sekunge we are running a tuck shop government that does not have banking details. A government that survives on cash transactions is an extremely corrupt government. Kuti nyika inotongwa sei tozviziva. Tikati wana mukana wacho zvinoda kuitwa kuti vanhu vatungamirirwe zvakanaka tozviziva. Ende ndosaka tichitaura kuti ava vari kudofora havasi kugona kutungamira nyika. You know, one day ndaidriver ndichienda kwaMutare ndobva ndamiswa zvikanzi isa maindicator ako ndobva ndaisa, zvikanzi isa reverse light bva ndaisa, zvikanzi tsika mabrake bva ndatsika, zvikanzi iri tail light harisi kubaka. Ndikati ndofunga ratofa nhasi because nezuro chairo raibaka. Zvikanzi hatakuti kunyorera ticket. And then I looked at the police car. All the tail lights were broken. And I said, I will not pay you a cent. Your car is unroadworthy. You are actually criminals who are trying to enforce a law. So this law of having a roadworthy vehicle only applies to us. It doesn't apply to you. And then I came into my car and drove away. I said, follow me if you can. I knew that they don't have enough fuel anyway. Now, police officers inspect cars to see if the cars are roadworthy. But they themselves are driving an unroadworthy car. How can that be called law enforcement? I refuse. Kuti mupurisa ari kudriver motikari nematai asisina any grip and inspect matai yangu inini. Azviite. Pamune mutarisa matai emota yangu ndiye nditarisa matai emotikari yenyu. Ndobvunza kuti saka imi chakupaiwo mvume yekufamba nemota yakadai chii? Saka mutemo wamuri kutaura unoapply kwatiri kwamura uapply kuti zvidi. If citizens had that mentality, Pastor, yes, these governments should not be taking us for a ride. No one is above the law, including the police officers. Yes. They are not above the law. Yes. Motikari mapurisa haina kana reverse light. Dai kurunza akafa zviri nani akapwa nyika yese. Asari kuti mateo lights ako hasi kubaka. Angu aripo atodzimo zvao magetsi anova. Yes. 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 And all those laws are also illegal. Yes. I want to say that we know how to govern. Yes. Ichasvika nguva yekuti Mwari achatipa vanhu vanoziva Mwari votungamira nyika. Kuti nyika inotongwa sei tozviziva. Tikati wana mukana wacho zvinoda kuitwa kuti vanhu vatungamirirwe zvakanaka tozviziva. Ende ndosaka tichitaura kuti ava vari kudofora havasi kugona kutungamira nyika. Hakuna munhu anofanira kubhadhariswa ticket rekuti motikari yake ine defect. Nekuti madefects emota anomuka ichifamba. Hakuna mota inotanga kufamba lights yakapaka yozomutswa kudai. So the right way to enforce traffic laws is a system where the first time a police officer discovers a defect on a car, yes, we must have policing system digitalized. They must issue a warning. Go and fix this car. Enter that warning on the database. Give this person at least 7 days. Number 1, to find the money. Number 2, to find the right mechanic to fix this matter.
Yes.
Because if my tail lights malfunctions when I'm in Bulawayo, I want to go back home to Harare. What should I do? I cannot start looking for a mechanic in Bulawayo because I might end up putting my car into the wrong hands.
Yes.
I have my own mechanic that I trust. I have to be able to go back to Harare.
Yes.
To my own mechanic who I have a reputation with.
Yes.
Check my car and fix it.
Yes.
But it's like a small matter in Zimbabwe. It gives the government a right, number 1, to harass the citizens. Number 2, to steal money in the name of law enforcement.
Yes.
Number 2, people should not be asked to pay for toll gate fees in real time. It does not have any economic sense.
No.
The budget of the government is annual. The revenues of the government are annualized, which means it doesn't make a difference whether I pay my fines today or next month or 3 months later, as long as I pay them in that same year.
Yes.
So people should not be asked to pay toll gates as they travel. They have to have an account that is debited. Simple.
Yes.
I can pay my toll gate fees at the end of the month. I can pay my toll gate fees after 3 months. To the government and to revenue collection, it does not make a difference.
Yes.
Vanhu vese vari pamatoll gate ava haisi nzira yekucreata my jobs. It is initiative, inertia, and motivational paralysis on the government of the state. It is evidence, number 1, that our government enjoys bringing pain upon the people. Your mother is sick in the village. You are broke. You borrow money to put fuel in the car to go and bring your mother to town for treatment. You don't have toll gate fees. So should your mother die because of toll gate fees?
No.
No.
She shouldn't.
No. No.
You understand the problem?
Yes.
So inyaya kuti pawasvika itoburitsa mari zvinoita sekunge we are running a tuck shop government that does not have banking details. A government that survives on cash transactions is an extremely corrupt government. Because wherever government fees are paid in cash, corruption tendencies balloon and skyrocket.
Yes. Yes.
Because you have to negotiate with the cashier. The cashier can say, give me half the fees and go. You understand? Yes. Government fees are supposed to be plastic money based.
Amen.
Transactions that are digitalized.
Yes.
They keep and leave trails that one can then use to audit government departments. When we did a crusade in Veke, there was no toll gate. There were 2 drums and shabbily dressed police officers. Uniform yacho yaita kunge yakatengwa 1920. Vakabata kabhuku so omira pamadrum ipapo makadi chef makadi boss tiripo right yangu yekubhadhara toll gate oburitsa mari yetoll gate so mupurisa obvaisa mari muhomwe murese. Mari yehurumende inoiswa muhomwe maofisi makambozviona izvozvo. Muri kurana government kunge vaya vanobika chikokiyana muruzevha panoti vakangodira kapu vopuwa mari vese muchihembe. Munozama mai anobika sadza anenge ane chiapron chine homwa. Mari yehurumende iri kuiswa muapron kudai hazvinyadzise here muna 2020 kuti hatina digital payment platforms for our government. Mari yehurumende inobviswa iri cash all the time. Why? In 2026 You are still required to pay a spot fine to a police officer. That's embarrassing. And shame on everyone who says they went to school in ZANU-PF. The state of our government is evidence that people in government are school dropouts. There's no evidence kuti tiri kutungamirwa nevanhu vakaenda kuchikoro. Madhiramu maviri so, pastor, drama apa, ubva vaisa danda pamusoro pedhiramu. Mupurisa apa, wezimura wacho akapfeka chibhutsu chisina hiri, akamira akadai so. Kwakutoti hamuna mvura here, ndipewo mvura pano pari kupisa. Tora muhomwe yeyo toge, tutenge mvura, tora marimo, inoonekwa nani? Hapana evidence yekuti mari yatorwa yetogeti mari. Saka ndakati naye officer, saka ramuri kuti gedha apa nderipi? Madhiramu iwa adori gedhi racho. Zvikatsa ndo zvazviri baba, toita zeni. Chitipaiwo mari yemvura yekunwa. Ndikatora muhomwe yehurumende iwe. Ndozvimwe zvandakaregerera basa izvozvi zvitaona kuti handidi kuitiswa zvinhu zvisina musoro nehurumende. Ndo basa racho. Ko pfungwa dzako dzadii kuita basa ukasiya zvinhu zvisina musoro izvi. There shouldn't be toll gate fees paid on the spot. And we shouldn't have parking marshals. People who wake up in the morning to go to work. When they get to work, their job is to receive cash when people park their cars in government city council based parking lots in the CBD. It's embarrassing. In other countries, those parking spaces are digitally controlled. You get a ticket as you go in, you go and pay to the parking machine, you get a ticket when you go out. There is nobody there. Vanhu vese vanoshanda mumatogeti, vanhu vese vanoita basa rekupakisa motikari, hamusi vanhu vari pabasa, muri vanhu vari kuyamwa mari yehurumende mahara. It's not necessary. We don't even need one madman to be at a toll gate. Not even a madman. That's not job creation. That is a lack of innovation, lack of creativity. And basically having leadership that has no clue about governance. Yes. That's not governance. Nanas uchiri kunyorwa tik kadi reclinic na nesi maoko kudai. Buku iroro rikabiwa kana kudyiwa nemakonzo zvadhakwa. You can't go to any clinic after 10 years and ask them for records.
No.
That they treated you 10 years ago. They don't have records.
Yes.
Is that governance now?
No.
Unonyorerwa zita rako pachipepa chebhondi so zita, makgs, temperature. Onzi chipepa chako ichi enda pa next step. Zvatopera? Ndo clinic yacho. No. And I was said last week, Pastor, when I was told that many of our hospitals do not have hospital laboratories.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey.
So if you are, for example, in Kutama Hospital, what is it? Is it Murombedzo Kutama Hospital? You get there, whatever specimen they collect from you,
Yes.
to test you of your diseases. They have to send the specimen to Harare or to Norton because they don't have a lab. So when they do blood tests, they will ask you to come back at least after 2 days or 3 days. They have to wait for the results to come out. In 2026, we don't have labs at hospitals. When I went to India for treatment, they took my bloods and everything. And they told me to wait. They said, wait. I waited there.
Wow.
They have a lab for every test at every hospital. So when you are in that hospital, you don't leave the hospital to go to Lancet laboratories to get your tests. Even in South Africa, Lancet laboratories have labs in those hospitals.
Yes.
Right.
They don't send you to a lab. There is a lab in the hospital.
So did you do a blood test?
I needed full blood count and other tests.
Okay.
So they took my bloods and they said, wait. I waited for 20 minutes.
For the results?
For the results.
Wow.
And they said, we just wanted you to get your results for your own personal records. Go to your doctor. The results are already in his system.
Wow.
So you don't take the lab results to your doctor.
No.
The doctor sees the results in their system.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Chino muZimbabwe unoora.
Yes.
Ma results asati adzoka. Wondiudza kuti hanzi tiri kuvaka nyika. Muri kuvaka chii?
Ndozoka results munafa.
Ma results anobuda zvakaitika pastor. We have a believer who died before the results were out.
Oh no.
The results were supposed to come out within 3 days. They later came out after 5 days. In Ziklag, one of our child passed away before the results came out. The lab said we are inundated. We have a backlog. There was power and so wait. 5 days. Makamira ma results. Emma test. You have to explain to the sick man. Be strong, madam. You have to be in this pain for the next unknown number of days. The doctor doesn't know how to treat you. They need to have the results first. Imborwadziwa itete, my results are pana. And believers look at me. How do you know that the specimen of your blood that is taken at Kutama Hospital, but they have to go to Harare, to the lab? How do you know that they are not contaminated along the way?
Yes.
How do you know that they are not compromised along the way? How do you know that they don't change the bottles and announce the results that are not from your specimen? We are kutakura maropa rako nechimudhudhudhu. Haasi kutakwa here nekirango futi yeyo. Ko mudhudhudhu wake ukafa, chikula box chaanga isirwa ma-ice blocks chikameuta, akamirira kuti apiwe rimwe vhiri asati asvika kuHarare. Ropa rako rinosvika kuHarare raora. Iwe ipapo ungori muchipatara chete. Vasati vaburitsa maresults kudaro, iwe ndiwo chabhadhara futi mari yekubhadhara mubhedha. Wauri kufanirwa kuramba uri pauri maresults asati abuda. Uchabhadhara chikafu chauri kudya. Havati futi sorry, hatina lab. Vanoita kunge imhosva yako futi yekuti havana lab. Munondiudza kuti taane how many years since independence? 1980, 46 years.
46.
Taane 46 years. Tawana independence. Fungo yekuisa malab muzvipatara haisati yauya matiri. Fungo yekuisa lab paparenyatwa, lab pare hospital, lab pampilo, lab pa Wilkins, lab pachi hatina. Saka pamene mchiti paya muri kuita musangano, muri kutaura nezvei? How many labs could we have built with the money that has been used to buy these useless cars, donated to scoundrels to buy their support for a rogue constitutional amendment program? Pamaria takatenga mota tikadoneta kuna kapfupi na kuna macheso, tingadai takavaka malebhu mangani. Ihurumende yerudzi inodoneta mota kuma citizens. What kind of government donates cars to citizens? Who needs a car when they are drinking contaminated water? Who needs a car in a country with no standard roads? Who needs a car in a country where there is not sufficient electricity? Motikari ndedzei. Ivo vanosapota musangano ndivo vamwe futi vanoudzwa kunzi torai ropa muende naro kulebhu yakati. Iwe ndiwo uri kurwara.
Yes.
Ndiwo unonzi hauna hama here. Hama yako ndo ichatora futi ropa rako roenda nayo kulebhuko.
Yes.
Wozonzi right. Mozodzoka kana mari dzavo dzauya. Anouya rini nhasi musi wechizviya nhasi Sunday okay 5 days. Chiuya iSaturday mari dzavo dzenya anenge auya. Marwadzo ndinoaudza sei kuti mbomirai kurwadza. Mari dzavo dzatanga auya.
Yes.
Munhu haasi kufema. Mari dzavo dzakamirirwa. Pain ndoiudza sei kuti mbonyarara. Imbondipa 5 days ndapota.
Yes.
How can I tell my wounds? How can I tell my body to wait for the test results? Is this not a genocide? My question is there not a conspiracy in government to kill the people by establishing and running ineffective medical health systems? Maybe there's a plan. Kuti tikauraya zvipatara vanofa. Tosara nevanhu vari kumaruzevha vanovhotera musangano. Hamufunge kudaro? Chiwenga has come up with a theory, the conspiracy theory, that the running down of our hospitals may be deliberate by our government to kill particularly people from urban areas because they are hated for voting for the opposition. Even in their most incompetent state, could they have abandoned our hospitals to the level they are today?
Yeah.
Some of our nurses and doctors are now afraid that they are going to get sick because of safety equipment that is not sufficiently provided to them.
Yes.
If your wife is a nurse or your wife or your husband is a doctor, ask them what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Vana mukoti vedu, vakoti vedu, vakutotya kurwariswa nezvipatara zvedu. Hazvina kunaka izvozvo. It's not good at all. And so we shall continue to speak about these things. These are housekeeping issues. As the man of God,
Yes.
I have a duty to address matters that affect everyday issues of life.
Amen.
For our people. Because if you are sick, you will not be able to listen to my message. I care about the state of our hospitals. Your health matters to God.
Yes.
Your health matters also to the church. Sometimes your health does not need prayer. It needs medications. And these leaders have a duty to provide a vibrant health system in the nation. When they fail, the church gets worried.
Yes.
And we have to speak out and call them to order.
Amen.
Yes. And we continue to say to them, makati munogona kutungamira nyika, chitungamirai nyika zvakanaka.
Yes.
Nyika itungamirwe nzira yamuri kuita nayo iyi. Ukakusi kutungamira nyika uku, kuondonga nyika. Pamuri kufamba muchiti nyika inovakwa nevene vayo, isati kuona kuvaka, tiri kuona kupaza nyika. Tinofanirwa futi kuvaudza kuti kana musingagone ibvai ipapo, we can come and do a better job than what you are doing. We have to tell them that you have no monopoly of wisdom. We can also do a better job than what you are doing. If you can't govern well, move, leave. And Zimbabwe has no shortage of capable sons and daughters who can execute proper governance
Yes.
that can mean saving of precious lives. Everybody who dies because of the state of our hospitals, the blood of those people is in their hands. And if the church is quiet about it, we become guilty of the same blood ourselves.